Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Joyce from Anvi's Handicrafts. I designed fun and easy amigurumi patterns and video tutorial for beginners. You can find a lot of adorable amigurumi patterns on my YouTube channel, on my blog, envisrenny.com. This day I obsessed with the no sew or almost no sew technique, so you can find a lot of beautiful amigurumi without showing anything. That's amazing. Okay, and if the first time you are here, please support me by hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you will know whenever I upload a new video. I'm so excited today to reveal a good news to you. You know Meow Amigurumi? She's have a lot of beautiful amigurumis on her Instagram, Meow Amigurumi, and also has her YouTube channel, Crochet with Meow Amigurumi. If you don't know about her, just figure out and you will love her. And don't forget to follow or subscribe on her YouTube channel. Okay, let's talk about the main topic today. Why I'm here today. I have a very good news for you. Mystery Crochet Along is coming. Wow, it will happen on 11 to 19 November this month only, and that's few days from here. So you can find the plan, free plan or pay plan below. Learn more about this. But let me talk a bit about the event. It is amazing to collaborate with Jenny from Meow Amigurumi to show you like two patterns about one character. And it's one pattern from me, Joy, and one pattern from Meow Amigurumi, but about the same character. Oh my god, and the most amazing thing that we have a very valuable giveaway for both plans, free and VIP plan. And so let's jump into the content. What's happened? If you are interested into the event, the Crochet Along, Mystery Amigurumi Crochet Along, just find the description below, the link to know about the event. And I hope that you enjoy us. It will be fun, and after the event you will have not only one but two amigurumi about the same character, as well as the chance to win the amazing gifts away from us. Don't miss it.